Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Epic Games account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password and Security. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Password and Security tab to view security options for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the section labeled Two-factor authentication. You will see options for enabling 2FA via an authenticator app, SMS, or email. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm activation. After setting up 2FA, you will receive a confirmation message. Log out and log back in to ensure that two-factor authentication is active and functioning properly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Epic Games account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.